Hi, it's Giselle. Welcome to the Kids Yoga Stories community. In this Teaching Kids Yoga Toolkit, you'll receive 6 different items. Here they are. So first you'll have a printout that's called Getting Started with Kids Yoga. This is to gain clarity on who and in what circumstances you're going to teach yoga. So you look at this, you choose one benefit, one reason why you're teaching yoga to children, one aspect of yoga you're teaching, and which child group. So that's just to help you gain clarity. That's the first one. The second one is about class management. So there's a checklist for some ideas to think about before your class starts. And we're going to go through each one. Do you have a clear instruction lesson plan? And there's a few there. Have you set up an engaging space? What do you know about the needs and characteristics of the students? Do you have a clear idea of your classroom and behavior management plans? And how do you get yourself mentally and physically prepared for your class? We also have 2 pages on a checklist of what to do during class. So these are all in the spirit of what can you do to be super organized and calm and consistent in your class to be the most effective kids yoga teacher that you can be. Okay, then we also have a kids yoga planning booklet. This one has 40 things to consider when you're planning your kids yoga class. Again, a checklist. We've got some resources for you, a list. You're going to do poses, breathing exercises, have yoga cards for children, the yoga pose sequences, and some yoga books. And other resources are here that have different links to it. It also has a list of 85 theme ideas for your classes to get your mind and imagination flowing. And also a monthly planner as well as a class planner. So in those planners, it's all a print and use kind of situation, your age group, the day, theme, materials, what your opening is, the yoga poses, the yoga games, all like that to make sure you've got all the different components of your yoga class. Okay, that's the yoga planning booklet. Next, we have engagement cards. We have a pack of, I think there's about 20 of these that you can print out. This is connect with your students and then a little description. And this one is to stop, pause, and look, and the description. So all of these you can print out and pull a card each time you have a class to think about more critically how can you engage and bring those children into the class. And we also have the simple yoga sequences for children. It's a whole book full of 30 posters and on different themes. This one, for example, is the partner poses. There are 5 here of the description, and then the following page is the actual poster. Again, you could do this, you can make it 8.5 by 11 and make a book like this one is, or you could make them larger or smaller, whatever suits your needs best. And lastly, we have the breathing exercises for children. And these are great for children and adults too. It helps us as teachers. So here you can print them out, put them on a little ring. You've got a list of, how many are in here? There's 30, I think, right? 30 different breathing exercises. And you've got the picture of the breath and the breathing too. Okay, so those are all the components that go into the Teaching Kids Yoga Toolkit. We certainly hope this helps to make teaching yoga to children fun and easy for you.